You can learn how to add videos to featured section from your PC or laptop. So let's start the video lesson. In Facebook profile, here is the featured section. To add video to the featured section, we need to click Add Featured tab. And again in the pop-up, we need to click Add New tab. There is no video upload option from within the featured section, but only the option to upload photos from the PC or laptop. But there is a way to add videos to featured section. We need to click this three-dotted menu button. And next, we need to select Add to Story option from the menu. In Story page, we need to create a photo story. With custom files, we can see only images. We need to select All Files option to view photos and videos. Now, we can select the video and upload it. And done, the video has been added to the story section. Now, we can go back to the featured section and select the video we uploaded under story section. We can give a title for the collection and save the changes. And done, the video has been added and saved in Facebook featured section. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.